Warapedeng kajing nang kiu jong Jingwan Rung Tuh na Jingwan Rung Tuh jong ki pat nong shong nong kari Bangladesh po put usam jong kejala Meghalaya Henry na kaliang jong ba lakamen rumbui umentri ki katanat ki kampo yeng jong kejala ula pentip ba katanat pulit jong kejala ringkat kajing Iatreilang ki pat nong shong nong baru kumju kinong yalam shnong jong ki than Khappud kinang Iatrei shat na kabenta bante lakam yakani.
See, I am very happy that the people of the border area, they are very cooperative with the police. And yesterday, the VDP of Puliang village, they have intercepted one vehicle carrying with 14 passengers, where one is from Assam, the driver of the vehicle, and two are the local from there only, and 11 are the Bangladeshis. And immediately after they got hold of the vehicle, they informed the police, and police have arrested those people, all those people involved. That is 14 of them, including 11 from Bangladesh and 3 from our own state. Two from our own state and one from Assam. This is a very encouraging sign that the people of border area didn't want that their village or their area to be to be used by anybody as the infiltration point of the foreigner.
So, what steps are being taken, sir?
The steps is being taken by the police by different districts is that to coordinate with the VDP of different villages and also with the village as a whole, so that with the headman or the different village in the border area to see that if there is any suspicious infiltrator are there, immediately they should inform the police and then so that they will be arrested.
So, are you also in talks with the BSF, sir?
No, the BSF also, they are very doing their role in this situation. But who knows, maybe in the last 1 week, due to this heavy rain, people are taking advantage of this situation. So maybe, but this we have to learn a lesson that people, whenever there is this type of situation, maybe the people will try to take advantage of this situation and infiltrate our country. And as I said before, I'm very happy that the people of border area, they are very alive to the situation, and able to nab all these infiltrators in this week and last week also.